What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy KJ, and today we're breaking down one of the most eye-catching colorways of the Ja 2 in the Jawbreaker colorway, also called the Funfetti colorway. So this shoe dropped pretty recently. It dropped on May 10th, so just a few weeks ago. So it's already making some noise with its wild design and Ja Morant details. So in today's video, we'll be breaking down the box, the materials, how it looks on feet, sizing, all that. So stay tuned, let's get into it. Starting with the box, it's surprisingly muted compared to how loud the shoe is, with a bright yellow Ja logo stamped right in the center. These sides are wrapped in a dark gray tone with subtle Ja Morant logos going all the way around in a gray on gray pattern. But what really stands out is the 12 a.m. text printed on the box, and that's more than just a design choice. 12 a.m. is Ja's signature mindset, putting in that work when the rest of the world is asleep. It shows up on both the box and the shoe, and it speaks to his grind first mentality. So let's get into this shoe, as this thing looks like a straight up Jawbreaker. This colorway features a pastel speckled upper with hits of red, blue, yellow scattered throughout the sneaker. It definitely lives up to the Jawbreaker name. The lateral swoosh fades from yellow into white, outlined in a bold black color, giving it a vibrant look. Then on the medial side, it's a toned down plain black swoosh embedded right into the mesh. Right on the toe box, you'll see that text 1MT, and while Nike hasn't fully spelled it out, it's widely understood to mean one more time according to the internet. It's all about that relentless push, doing one more rep, one more drill, chasing greatness day in and day out. Between that and the 12 a.m. message, you really feel how personal this pair was for Ja. The materials are solid, lightweight, and built for performance. The upper is mostly engineered mesh, which keeps things breathable. You've got synthetic leather overlays around the eyelets and heel for structure. There's a bit of TPU around the heel tab and side panels to help with support. Inside, the collar has plenty of padding, and the Zoom Air unit in the forefoot gives you that responsive bounce for quick cuts and drives. This Ja 2 comes with a translucent rubber traction pattern, which I'd give a solid 9 out of 10 as it works well on clean and dusty courts. The translucent rubber may wear down quickly on hard surfaces, so I don't recommend for outdoor play. This sneaker has good court feel and has some bounciness in the forefoot area, which is something Ja Morant does like in his sneakers. Side note, this is also a player exclusive pair and actually shows on the box with the PER detail and stands for player exclusive for retail. So these dropped for $120 retail, which is honestly a pretty fair price for a signature shoe in 2025. And honestly, with all the details packed into this shoe, it's definitely a steal. So for sizing, I definitely recommend going true to size on this shoe. At least for me, I ordered my true size a 9.5 and it fits me perfectly. So if you are a wide footer, I may recommend honestly going with a different shoe, as I don't think this shoe is like very wide fitting. With that being said, I do think this shoe is a little snug around the midfoot area, but not overly tight. Overall, this sneaker is very affordable and great for players who enjoy playing in a low top sneaker. Here's how they look on feet. Definitely a statement sneaker. The colors pop even more when they're laced up, and you can really see how these speckles wrap around the shoe like a Jawbreaker. The yellow to white swoosh really pops on this all white sneaker, and the medial side gives it a nice balance so it's not too wild. It only made sense to rock these with throwback Mitchell and Ness shorts for the on foot portion, but since this is an all white sneaker, you can really wear any kind of shorts or sweatpants when hooping in these. Alright, to wrap it up, the Ja 2 in the Jawbreaker colorway is definitely one of the most fun and vibrant colorways in Ja's lineup so far, but the design and story behind it make it just as appealing for off the court. From the 12 a.m. grind message to the one more time toe hit to the speckled upper that looks like it came out of a candy shop, it's sort of a loud shoe with a deeper message. So the mix of performance tech and visual flair on this sneaker really make this one of the most standout Ja 2 colorways released so far. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a cop, or are you looking forward to another Ja 2 colorway? But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sneaker and fashion content. We got a lot more coming on the way, but that's all I have for today. So I'll catch you guys on the next wave. Peace.